The largest panther populations in the U.S. are found in specific regions where conservation efforts and habitat protection have allowed these elusive big cats to survive. Panthers, also known as mountain lions, cougars, or pumas, Puma concolor, are the largest wild cats in North America and once roamed across the entire continent. Today, their populations are primarily concentrated in the western U.S., Florida, and small pockets of the Midwest and Southeast, where suitable habitats still exist. The Florida panther, Puma concolor curyi, is the only recognized subspecies of mountain lion in the eastern U.S. and is primarily found in South Florida. The largest single population of panthers in the U.S. is found in California, where an estimated 4,000 to 6,000 mountain lions roam the state's forests and mountains. California's Santa Monica Mountains, Sierra Nevada, and coastal regions provide prime habitat for mountain lions, though habitat loss is a growing concern. The Florida panther population is critically endangered, with only around 120 to 230 individuals left, mostly confined to the Everglades and Big Cypress National Preserve. Panther populations are strongest in the western states, including Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and Washington, where large wilderness areas support their survival. The Rocky Mountains host a significant number of mountain lions, as the region's rugged terrain provides ample prey and minimal human disturbance. Colorado is home to an estimated 3,000 to 7,000 mountain lions, making it one of the top states for panther populations in the U.S. Montana's mountain lion population is estimated to be around 2,500 to 3,000, with stable numbers thanks to well-managed hunting regulations. Oregon and Washington each have between 2,000 and 3,000 mountain lions, primarily in the Cascade Range and forested regions. Arizona and New Mexico are also strongholds for mountain lions, with thousands of individuals roaming the Sonoran Desert, high plateaus, and mountainous terrain. Texas has a significant but unprotected population of panthers, particularly in the Trans-Pecos region and the Big Bend National Park area. Nevada has one of the highest densities of mountain lions per square mile, with 1,500 to 2,500 individuals thriving in its desert and mountainous regions. The Black Hills of South Dakota have a small but stable panther population, with around 200 to 300 individuals living in the dense forests of the region. The Grand Canyon region in Arizona has a notable mountain lion population, with many sightings occurring along the park's remote trails and cliffs. The Yellowstone ecosystem supports a healthy number of panthers, as the protected parklands provide vast hunting grounds and minimal human interference. Florida panthers are one of the most monitored populations, with radio collars and tracking programs helping researchers study their movement and survival challenges. Despite their large range, mountain lions are extremely elusive and rarely seen, making accurate population counts difficult. Panthers prefer remote, wooded areas, mountainous terrain, and desert landscapes, where they can hunt without human interference. These big cats are solitary by nature, with each adult male requiring a home range of up to 150 square miles to roam and hunt. Human encroachment and habitat fragmentation pose the biggest threats to panther populations, especially in California and Florida. The Sierra Nevada mountains in California remain one of the most crucial panther habitats, offering thousands of square miles of protected wilderness. The Cascade Mountains in Oregon and Washington also support large numbers of mountain lions, with dense forests providing cover and abundant prey. The Appalachian region once had panthers, but today, only rare, unconfirmed sightings occur, with no known breeding populations in the eastern U.S. outside of Florida. Florida panthers suffer from genetic bottlenecks, as their limited population size leads to inbreeding, causing health problems such as heart defects and skeletal issues. Conservationists have introduced Texas cougars into Florida's panther population to improve genetic diversity and strengthen the species' survival chances. Highways and urban development have led to an increase in panther vehicle collisions, making road mortality one of the leading causes of Florida panther deaths. Projects like wildlife corridors and highway underpasses have been developed in Florida to reduce roadkill and allow panthers to safely move between habitats. California's P-22, the famous Hollywood mountain lion, lived in the Santa Monica Mountains near Los Angeles, raising awareness about urban panthers. Texas mountain lions face fewer legal protections than other states, with no hunting limits in place, making them vulnerable to human conflicts. The Big Bend region of Texas is home to one of the largest panther populations in the state, though sightings are rare due to their secretive nature. Panthers are top predators, primarily hunting deer, elk, wild hogs, and smaller mammals, helping maintain ecological balance in their ecosystems. Some states, including Colorado and Montana, allow regulated hunting of mountain lions, with quotas set to prevent overpopulation or livestock conflicts. Wildfires in California and the western U.S. threaten panther habitats, forcing them to move into urban areas, increasing human-wildlife conflicts. Climate change may alter panther populations in the future, as rising temperatures and habitat destruction shift their traditional hunting and breeding grounds. Florida panthers are known to adapt to swampy environments, making them unique among North American mountain lions. Despite being called panthers, Florida panthers are actually a subspecies of the mountain lion, not a separate species. Unlike jaguars, mountain lions do not have a spotted coat and are uniformly tan, with muscular bodies and long tails for balance and agility. California has some of the strictest laws protecting mountain lions, with hunting bans in place to help conserve the species. Panthers in urban areas often face conflicts with humans, livestock, and domestic pets, leading to controversial wildlife management debates. Florida panthers are slowly expanding their range northward, with occasional sightings in Georgia and Alabama, though no breeding populations exist there yet. Hunting bans and conservation efforts in California, Washington, and Oregon have allowed panther populations to remain stable despite habitat loss. Montana, Wyoming, and Idaho have large wilderness areas and national parks that support healthy panther populations with little human interference. The Grand Teton and Yellowstone National Parks provide critical habitat for panthers, with many sightings occurring in remote areas of these parks. Despite conservation efforts, illegal poaching, vehicle strikes, and habitat loss remain major threats to panther populations across the U.S. Florida panther numbers were once as low as 20 to 30 individuals, but conservation programs have helped them rebound to over 200 today. Genetic research has shown that western mountain lions and Florida panthers share a common ancestry, dating back thousands of years. Many state wildlife agencies monitor panther populations using trail cameras, GPS collars, and public sighting reports to track their numbers. Despite myths, black panthers do not exist in North America, as mountain lions do not have melanistic, black, color variations like jaguars or leopards. Panthers are excellent climbers and jumpers, capable of leaping over 20 feet in a single bound and climbing trees to escape threats. Urban expansion in places like Los Angeles and Miami continues to shrink panther habitats, increasing conflicts between humans and these elusive predators. Panthers play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems, preventing deer overpopulation and keeping prey species in balance. Wildlife corridors and protected lands are essential for the future survival of panther populations, as they need large areas to roam and breed. With continued conservation efforts, panther populations in the U.S. could stabilize or even grow, ensuring these majestic predators remain part of the American wilderness. Public awareness and policy changes will determine whether future generations will continue to see panthers thriving in the wild or if they will become further endangered.